Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the top 5 strategies to quickly monetize your writing skills in 2024. Whether you're a grammar aficionado, a master storyteller, or just love crafting compelling content, this video is your roadmap to turning those keystrokes into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time income stream. We'll be covering everything from finding high-paying freelance clients to navigating the world of self-publishing, so buckle up and get those notebooks ready. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities for writers, and gone are the days of relying solely on traditional publishing deals. Today, you have the power to take control of your writing career and build a sustainable income on your own terms. So if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss, stick around because things are about to get very interesting. First up, we're diving into the world of freelance writing. Yes, it's competitive, but with the right strategy, you can stand out and land those high-paying clients. Treat your freelance writing like a business. Create a professional website, identify your niche, and set competitive rates. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger are great places to start, but also explore industry-specific job boards and network with other writers. Building relationships and exceeding expectations is key. Happy clients lead to repeat business and valuable referrals. Specializing in a specific industry or type of writing can position you as an expert and command higher rates. Our next strategy is self-publishing ebooks. Think about your areas of expertise or passions and package that knowledge into a comprehensive guide or how-to manual. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, KDP, make it easy to upload, format, and distribute your ebook to millions of potential readers worldwide. To maximize sales, you'll need a solid marketing plan, run targeted ads, leverage email marketing, and explore cross-promotional opportunities. Offer free chapters as lead magnets, participate in online literary communities, and consider turning your ebook into an audiobook. The key is to be persistent, experiment with different strategies, and continually engage with your readers. Self-publishing gives you complete creative control and a significant portion of the royalties. So take control of your destiny and become a published author. Now let's talk about blogging and affiliate marketing, a strategy that can generate passive income while you sleep. Choose a niche you're passionate about and start creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your readers. Use affiliate links to recommend products or services you genuinely believe in and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your link. Research and find affiliate programs that align with your niche and audience. Be authentic and transparent in your recommendations to build trust with your readers. Consistency is key. It takes time to build a loyal audience and start seeing significant results. With patience and persistence, you can turn your blog into a passive income powerhouse. Let's face it, not every writing gig is going to be a glamorous, high-paying dream job. Sometimes you need to pay your dues and gain experience. Content mills can be a valuable stepping stone for new writers looking to build their portfolio and hone their skills. Platforms like TextBroker, Writer Access, and iWriter connect businesses with freelance writers for various content needs. The key to succeeding with content mills is to be efficient and strategic. Choose projects that align with your interests, set realistic deadlines, and focus on delivering high-quality work. As you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can start increasing your rates or seeking out higher-paying clients. Think of content mills as a temporary stepping stone to bigger and better things. Our final strategy is creating and selling online writing courses. Share your knowledge and empower others to improve their craft. Think about your unique skills and experiences as a writer. What can you teach others that they can't easily find elsewhere? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easy to create, host, and sell online courses. Provide immense value to your students and position yourself as an expert in your field. Promote your course through social media, email marketing, and guest blogging opportunities. Creating an online course is an investment of time and effort, but it can also be a rewarding way to generate passive income and build a loyal following. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 strategies to turn your passion for writing into a profitable endeavor. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for writers, and with hard work, dedication, and a sprinkle of creativity, You can achieve your financial goals while doing what you love. Whether you choose to dive into freelance writing, self-publish your ebook, start a blog, or create an online writing course, the key is to take action and start building your writing empire today. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your dreams. The most important thing is to enjoy the journey. So go out there, grab your laptops, and start writing your way to financial freedom